Welcome to the American Riviera, the city of Santa Barbara. The city is located on a pristine stretch of California's central coastline. You could definitely see the Spanish influence all over the place. This is about a 2-hour drive from Orange County, California. So if you want a laid-back or a chill vibe, I highly suggest that you do a road trip over the weekend. There's many things that you could do here. You can chill at the beach, wine and dine, or check out the natural historical museums all over town. Top it off with sightseeing and checking out the different spots all over the city. So we're here at our first stop, and this place is called Stearns Wharf. We're about to grab an early lunch here. Aside from chilling at the beach, you can definitely do some water activities as well, such as kayaking and paddleboarding. Now let's do a little exploration around the pier. Now that we're hungry, let's grab that lunch at Santa Barbara Shellfish Company. Make sure to check out their menu online before you go. Now that lunch is done, let's go ahead and explore the pier some more and enjoy the scenery. It's fun. Across the pier is the Funk Zone. Make sure to check out the map so you can know your way. Next stop, Old Mission, Santa Barbara. Old Mission Santa Barbara Church is a historical landmark. It's a place for joy, prayer, community, and learning. It's definitely a must visit. Now let's check out and enjoy the views from above. Driving distance away is the Moreton Bay Fig Tree. It's a must-see. Another place to go is the Painted Cave. It's quite an archaeological wonder. Now checking in at Residence Inn in Goleta, California. Let me do a 360 tour so you can see the vicinity and the amenities.
Yeah, got some putting golf, table tennis, swimming pool in the background, and it's just time to chill right now.
So we got a 2-bedroom suite. Let's do a quick room tour.
This is our
This right here is the kitchen area. Let's check out the master bedroom and the master bathroom.
Master bedroom. And this is the master bathroom.
Now passing by the living room. Moving on to the guest bathroom. And lastly, here's the other bedroom. For dinner, we found this Nikka Ramen place recommended by the hotel. If you do decide to stay in the hotel, then you must dip in the pool. Jacuzzi time is not a bad idea as well.
Flashed it again. Sitting on my head.
If you're nocturnal and you like to gamble, then you must visit the Chumash Casino Resort. Play games and enjoy the night away.
Coming out.
Last stop of this impromptu getaway is Solvang. It's a Danish community. If you want to get an idea of how old Denmark used to look like, then you must visit Solvang.
There's the windmill.
This can be a great family getaway.
Let's go.
Strolling around and looking for a place to eat. We ended up at this place called Solvang Restaurant. What a coincidence!
That's time lapse.
Got the Danish combination that comes with meatball and sausage. For dessert, you must try the Abel Skeever. Time to eat and let's dig in.
I'm gonna try the meatball. Pretty good. Sausage. Not bad. We're gonna have the Abel Skeever with ice cream. I'm about to try it.
I like that ice cream.
Thumbs up. How about a dab? Do a dab, let me see. The famous red shoe.
Just exploring around Solvang now. Now enjoy these fascinating drone shots of this little Danish community called Solvang. I certainly hope you enjoyed that quick mini tour of the beautiful Santa Barbara and the old-fashioned town of Solvang. Now heading back home, and if you do have any questions at all, please comment down below and I can definitely help you. Do me a favor and hit that like button. And subscribe for good luck. We'll see you on the next adventure.